Hi, hello everyone. This is Chakit from VAC Global Education. If you are new to this channel, then we provide study abroad guidance and we help you get your application and visa for studying abroad. In this video, we are going to talk about July 24 intake in New Zealand for masters as well as for bachelors. So watch this video till the end so that you get the complete information and you would be able to make better decision on your profile for the coming intakes. Now, July 24 intake is 6 months down the line from now. And in New Zealand, there are few things which you need to take care of if you want your visa to be successful. First thing that you need to apply to a relevant course. If you're not applying to a relevant course, then there are very, very high chances that you will be facing an interview. You will be answering the questions of the visa officer, and those can be little tricky to answer if your program is not relevant. So this is one thing which you need to be sure of. Second, your documentation needs to be spot on for the visa application, because if there is any gap in the profile which you have not discussed properly, then again the visa officer will have a doubt and will call you for sure. Third thing is your financials. Your financials needs to be as sorted as possible. So your funds needs to be minimum of 3 months old. It needs to be from your savings, from any of your blood relative, which can be your mother, father, brother, sister, your grandparents from both maternal and paternal side. And if you're married, then you need to provide the relationship proof and you can utilize the funds from your in-laws. So these are the three basic important things which you need to take care of for the visa point of view. Now, in order to apply for the offer letter, you would need your academic documents, you would need your CV, you would need a passport which needs to be at least 6 months valid from the date of your visa filing, and an IELTS score. For UG, you need 6 overall, not less than 5.5, and for PG, you would need overall 6.5, not been less than 6. So all the modules needs to have 6 each and overall 6.5. These are your IELTS requirement. And to study at the university level, you need to have a minimum percentage of 60% for your master's program, and for bachelor's, it has to be above 70. There are few universities which accept between 50 to 60 also, but that is on case to case basis. If your percentage is less than 50, you would need to apply for only government polytechnic or private colleges. Universities will not accept if your percentage is less than 50. So this is one thing which needs to be absolutely clear in your head before you do the application, because you would need not to waste time and you need to make sure that you get your admission on time and then visa on time. So now let me typically explain you how the timeline works. So first you prepare all these documents, select the relevant course, and then apply to the university. University takes roughly around anywhere between 15 days to 2 months. Like University of Auckland has a very long period of time in which they provide the offer letter. So you need to be real quick if you are planning to study at University of Auckland. Once your offer is there, you can make the conditional application also. If your IELTS is not done yet or PT not done yet, then you can do the conditional application. Once your application is approved, you apply for the education loan. If you're applying for the education loan needs to be from a nationalized bank or an NBFC. I'll just explain you how this works. So there are two type of education loan. One is secured education loan, one is unsecured education loan. With this secured education loan, you need not to transfer any funds to your own account from the loan account or the university. You can just get the visa based on the sanction letter. Whereas in the case of unsecured loan, you need to get the funds dispersed in your account first before applying the visa. And once your visa is approved, then you would have to make the payment to the university or the college, whichever you are going to. Now, if you're going for a bachelor's program, you need to be really, really careful, because your funding has to be there for the entire 3 years. So you need to have funds for your tuition fees as well as for the living expenses. If you do not have these kind of funds available with you, there are very high chances that your visa will not be approved. For masters, you need to have the funds for the entire study visa duration plus the living expenses. For after bachelor's, you will get 3 years of post-study work visa, and after masters also you will get 3 years of post-study work visa. If you're going for a diploma of any sort, you will get only 1 year of post-study work visa, and that too for the bachelor's program there is no post-study work visa. So these are the points which you need to be careful of. And if you need any assistance with your admission, with your visa filing, SOP, interview preparation, each and everything we are going to help you out with. So without wasting any time, there's a link given in the description. Click that link, get in touch with us, and we'll be more than happy to help you with the entire process. If you have liked this video, then hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to VAC. We shall see you in our next one, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.